Hello, I'm Andy. We are back to work.
"如果喜欢我们的影片，请记得帮我们订阅、按赞、开启小铃铛。
Hello, we are back to work, and we have so many plans in 2023. SAVOX will diverse to other divisions. So right now we are joining the new medical device exhibition. So the first exhibition we will join is MD&M West 2023. And our booth will be 346. The trade show will start at February 7 to February 9th, just nearby the Anaheim, California. So if you are interested to know what SAVOX will do, then welcome to visit us at the booth 346 at Anaheim.